Going to be doing Google CSC. So I'm in the CSC page and the URL is https://csc.google.com. Now you'd like to add a search engine to make a search engine. So you need at least one site to search at the very beginning. I'm using Google site because I need just a single site, but I don't really have a specific site or sites to search, so I'll just say Google. I'll say example. And so I created it, and if you click on the control panel, you can customize it. So if you say here, search the entire web but emphasize included sites, that's the right thing to do, and delete whatever site you put in there. And so you can restrict pages. And if you go here, it actually works. So I searched up W3 schools and it actually works. How about Lipsum.com? It works the same way as Google. So Lorem Ipsum, you can click on it. So anyways, I will go here, delete, update, and then get code. But before I do that, I'll go to look and feel. You can choose a different layout. 2 pages, great. Full width. 2 column, compact. Results only.
It's 12:45.
And Google hosted. I'm going to choose overlay. And so for themes, I'll say default. Shiny is a really good one. Classic, let's see. Espresso. Minimalist. I'll go with minimalist. So here you can say save and get code. And so I'll copy this and open up a new. Actually, I'll go into the terminal. And I'll say mkdir. Wait, no, not mkdir. I'll say cd desktop. So I'm also going to say touch and I'm saying index.html. I made a typo, so I have to call it index.html. So this will open an Atom. It may take some time. So here, the generate HTML tags. And I'm going to say example search engine. And in the body, I'll put a div. It's important to put a div. I don't need a class for this div. And I'm pasting the code. It will have some really bad indentation. And so I'll do that, and I'll indent everything. And by the way, if you don't know how to indent, you indent with the tab. I'm going to save it and click on it 2 times, and it works. I say here well, there's also other sites to search. This is strange. So, again, trying to experiment. This time, it was quite, I'll say, look and feel. Themes, default, layout, overlay, save and get code. Copy this. Sometimes you just have to debug it at the last minute. This is strange. I'll save it. About custom search setup. So let's see. Oh, search the entire web but emphasize included sites. I forgot about that. You must always update because I left the page and I didn't save it. So I'll get code. So this time, hopefully it will work. I'll replace that with this. So I saved it and now I'll reload the page. This time I hope it will work. How about searching up Google? Or let's just search up something else. Even if I search up ping pong, it will give you that. So now that was it. And so this time I had to debug a little bit, and so I figured it out, but it was good.